and the road is closed. Still the cars pull in. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be. A cool recess beneath these old pine trees. I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin, and it's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on skin. From what I've seen, nothing's meant to last, but I can't move forward, and I'm living in the past. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do I have, and how long can I last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on and on and on and on again and again, my friend, the end.
Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and over there is Michael Lyons, and the song is called Snow on Skin. And if you'd like to order the book, Snow on Skin, just click the link to Amazon.com, and you can get your copy of Snow on Skin, a BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO coffee table book. All right. Well, I guess that's all I had to say. I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa. How? All right. Good job, Michael.
Hey, thanks.